welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today is Saturday and I woke up in the morning and I was thinking what content should I film for my YouTube family next, and I thought why not try out a vlog. Since today is the weekend, I have a couple of things planned through the day, so I thought why not take you around. So this is my first vlog and so I'm a little bit nervous and a whole lot excited. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Shinjini and it would mean a lot to me if you could subscribe to my channel. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. I woke up really late today. It was almost 10:30 and currently it is 11:30 a.m. and I have still not had my breakfast. All I did was do my morning skincare routine and hence you can see a very nice glow on my skin currently. So recently I've been really loving my skincare routine. I did a few changes. Before this I was not actually following a routine, but I started recently in the last 1 or 2 months and I have been really getting good results. So I will be doing a separate video on my skincare routine, so don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on the video. What I have for breakfast today, I am having boiled eggs and almonds, very light because I woke up pretty late and I don't want to be full for lunch. And in the cup I had black coffee which I have almost finished. And also while having breakfast I like watching 1 or 2 episodes of my favorite show, and that is how I like starting my day. It's 2:30 p.m. right now. I have finished my lunch and I just took a nice warm shower. I also washed my hair today because I found that my hair is looking really greasy and I want my hair to look good for my shoot that I am going to do currently. So now I will quickly go and get ready for my shoot. So I am ready finally and it's around 4 p.m. now, so I am pretty late already, but this is my final look and I also shot a Instagram video on this look, and by the time my vlog goes up that video will already be up on Instagram. I will link it somewhere over here on the screen, and please don't forget to check it out if you're interested and follow me on Instagram. So it is currently 5:15 p.m. and I just got done filming my YouTube video, and to be honest I am pretty exhausted, but at the same time I'm feeling excited because I have plans to go out today with my parents, and we are going to go out after almost 1.5 months. I don't know where we are going to go, it's still not decided, but we are quite excited, so I will quickly go and get ready. So my mom is currently upset that I did not inform her that I am going to vlog today. That's why she is not completely decked up, right? But it's okay, natural is good. Say hi, mom. Are hi bolo?
Hi.
So we have come to South City Mall today, and there are a lot of people. I actually expected it to be comparatively empty, and there's my mom following me. But anyway, I am quite excited because most of the brands right now are giving a lot of discounts. So I'm planning to shop. Let's see what we get today. So look what I got. So I got this huge packet from Zara. They are having an amazing sale going on. So I bought a lot of items and I can't wait to show you. Though they did not allow me to shoot inside, so I could not show you my collection, but then I will have a mini haul pretty soon. Just got done with shopping and that is happiness because the last time I think I shopped was back in January, and this is July. Actually not even July, today is 1st August. So I am shopping after I think ages. So I'm super happy today, and I am hungry right now, so we are figuring out where to go and grab some dinner. So finally we are at Chili's for dinner. Feels so weird coming to all these favorite places after so long. Yes, I am glad that things are getting back to normal now. So finally done with the dinner. So going to go back home now. I think we had a lovely day today and it felt very nice to be out after such a long time and try to, have a normal life with shopping and dinner. So I just reached home and I am currently shooting this video outside my door because once I enter, I need to first get a shower, wash my clothes, gargle with hot water, and all that is going to take a lot of time. So these are currently all the precautions that I am taking so that even if I am carrying the virus right now, it does not enter my body or it does not transmit to other members of my family. And precaution is better than cure. So guys, please take this really seriously and do everything possible. Take all precautions to keep yourself and your family members safe. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one and you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.